you want to go on one, Shell?
No.
There's the old AA box. Mind that fucking pothole there, and it's gritty shit here.
That's it. Point it out so I can go straight fucking down it.
Yeah.
Right, you're clear. Clear both ways.
Ready to?
Over the cattle grid.
Clear.
This is a nice bit.
I'm going to put the AA box as one of ours challenge photos. There's only about half dozen logs in there.
Yeah.
Lovely bit of road, this one.
Far to the left and out.
Ain't not this.
Wildlife in my lid again.
He said I wouldn't mind, but it's a fucking sheep.
Yeah.
He's chucking stones at me.
So I do like that bit. Motorcycle.
That's alright. At least you didn't lift me out the seat this time.
Well, I have had this airborne a couple of times with her on it. It's always quite amusing.
Airborne division.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's always doubly bad for the passenger, isn't it? I mean, we can see it, what's coming up. If we're looking.
Yeah.
It's when you get a scenery like that and you're looking off to the edge and then there's a fucking bend in front. Oh shit!
Oh look, that sheep's got red all over. He said that's marked for death, that is.
It's just not dating, it's like a rose in Alabama.
Lovely though, isn't it?
It is.
See, when we leave Linton, we'll be up over there. Something's been on fire.
Yeah, it is a good spot here.
Yeah.
Like I said, I prefer export to double.
Yeah.
Only because it's national, so that's export and it's about 46 double. You've got a broad then, next. Do you fancy the Pecos one time then?
Yeah.
I do.
I'll have to get plenty of notice though, because she'll have to get her leaving.
Yes.
What's that? Us?
Yeah.
Up September with us. Not this September, next September. Give you a year to save up for it.
Or we can find a nice one-star hotel somewhere.
You're limited if there's a group of you there. You need to book really early. You're probably looking at the more popular ones.
Yeah. Well, as long as there's enough places to eat, doesn't matter where you go, does it?
There's loads of places to eat. Loads of places to eat. It's finding decent parking.
Yeah, that can be
And also for your bikes, yeah.
I was telling him, Steve, about that bloke we were speaking to in Swanage who had his nicked in the hotel with secure parking.
You can only do, so much, can't you? Bloody thing they'll have it.
Exactly. I mean, I'm parked outside the hotel. I've got the cover on, but I've got an X1 light lock through the front. I've got an X1 band through the sort of like light lock through the back wheel. I've got a tracker that's monitored, and I've got my alarm. You can do no more than that. If they want it, they're going to attack it.
So,
I mean, I'm lucky with the tracker, because if it is someone sits on it or moves it, I get a phone call. So peace of mind when you're parking up.
It's more the team made
It's hard and the insurance on this bike.
that's it. If you made the effort to make it secure, the chances are they'll pay out.
Yeah, the insurance can't fucking argue with that, can they?
make it try.
Yeah, we'll try it.
About 11 degrees now. They've got quite chilly up here.
Yeah.
I wonder if they fix that work spike down in the harbour. Things going on there the other day, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Up in the road in the middle.
What was that? Cat's eye in the middle?
Yeah.
Oh,
It looks like it. You want to get your front wheel on that fucking lane over, do you?
No, fucking hell.
Well, my arms are getting a decent workout. I'd manoeuvring in probably get along here.
He's fucking slagging you off again, Shell.
It is. I'm used to it.
I don't think I'd want to do it on any other bike than this. I think this handles the weight so up lovely.
Yeah. Cattle grid.
But this is popular when the sun's out.
Car coming. Oh yeah, it gets busy along here.
You can't
See,
even
this is some of the route we'll do when Dave's down.
Oh yeah.
We'll do this, you know, this and the Porlock bit, and but obviously
wrong
we'll
with this
leave
road,
from
don't you?
Exeter and up. No, it's good as gold, isn't it? I mean, even if there's a fucking accident, you know, at least they fuck off down over there. Don't block the road. Pothole.
Big bastard, no.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's like a very intelligent software, isn't it?
Well, hang on a minute.
If you like old churches, over to the right. Hi.
Cans.
A fucking mobility scooter.
When we done Crossdock the other year, there was the fucking Dutch Can-Am Society was out there, and there was 500 or 600 of them bloody things going up.
Jesus.
It was just, when it showed, it was just a constant road. They went everywhere. And they're not cheap, some of them.
Oh, yeah.
No, about 30 grand, didn't they?
Yeah, some of them.
I think I'd rather buy a cold one.
Nice view down over to the right as we crest this.
Beautiful.
Shame it's so hazy.
It is, isn't it?
It is a wee bit hazy, but nevertheless.
So pretty.
It's usually shot up over the tunnel, but you'd see Wales, wouldn't you?
Yeah. Yeah, because if you're back over that way.
Just
See all the Welsh refugees coming across in ditties.
escaping the 20-mile-an-hour zones.
Yeah.
Are we popping down the bottom again?
Yeah, we'll have a coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee.
And a pee.
Was that free parking in that car park? It was, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
Yeah.
Have your number plate up, you don't pay anyway.
Because we we can either park in the car park, or if we turn right where the bridge is, there's normally parking there, but I don't know whether that's paying display or not.
I think that last time I found
See, you
it was about
You
4
wouldn't come
years
down
ago
there,
we
would you,
found
with
it.
the ice?
I parked opposite that cafe that we went to when I banned it 2 years ago, and it was free then, but it probably changed it.
Well, we can have a look, we can always spin it if not. Wouldn't be the first fucking U-turn we done today, would it?
Yeah.
There's plenty of parking on the left though, isn't there, in that car park?
Yeah. The old escape ramp, look, it's like a brick wall in front of you, isn't it? Fucking hit that.
Definitely stopped you, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then you roll backwards.
Shit in the middle.
Yeah. Unconscious,
That
so
one,
then
look.
carried on back down, is it?
Well, it looks pretty busy down there. Oh, fucking hell. Is there space in there?
We'll find somewhere.
Yeah, that's that.
Yeah, you get him in there.
Yeah.
Get him in there.
Of course, they've not got the boats out for the winter, haven't they?
Yeah. Rabies. Or does that say rabies? We got fucking rabies, neighbour. If I go up the M, can we turn it round or not?
Okay,
Let me jump off.
hang on, let me just whip this out here. Okay.
Ready? 1, 2. Oh, shit. 3. There you go. Make it a bit easier, wouldn't it?
We're just park in front of these boats.
Well, I'm just wondering whether a couple of these are going. They are. Like, just give them 2 minutes, they're going. I think he ought to come on tour with us next time, this
I
bloke.
think so. I think so.
I mean, his
Yeah,
faffage is of sufficient level.
I'm surprised you haven't gone over and said, do you want to push, mate?